What it do? What the business EIE is? You already know who the fuck it is. What's going down? But our bad, man. We on that color people time shit, man. You understand?
Yo,
You ain't in here yet, but unless you might be, and we want to see you.
King Marco in the motherfucking building. I guess we here to talk about AMC again. I know all
And
you
some other stuff.
motherfuckers. Oh yeah, we'll get to that later.
But go ahead.
But we talking about AMC. I guess all you motherfuckers out there thinking that this bitch had a good day, huh? Really? 40 motherfucking dollars? Really? Up $3? Really? Y'all motherfuckers tweaking over this shit? For real? Y'all tweaking over a $3 a day? This supposed to be a motherfucking gamma squeeze. Nigga, please. This ain't no motherfucking gamma squeeze, man. $3 and y'all motherfuckers is all juiced up. Y'all got y'all motherfucking nose in that coke real good tonight, huh? Huh, okay. Okay, I hear you motherfuckers out there talking, running off at the mouth, talking about, yeah, we up. Yeah, y'all running. Y'all only around when the days is red. We here right now. We got our we still standing here, and we still believing where this bitch is going, and it's going down to the motherfucking ground, nigga. You believe that? Okay, ain't nobody running from y'all.
Man,
I'm not tweaking over no motherfucking $3 day, nigga. You should be seeing a $30 day, nigga. Fuck a $3 day, nigga. Get the fuck out of here. Talking to me about this bullshit, man. Your Adam Aaron sitting out there ain't talking like he broke. He talking like AMC broke off this motherfucker. And y'all niggas tweaking? Nigga, please cut it out. This motherfucker tweaking. Cut it out, man. Let's look at what this man said. Okay? Many suggestions from you. We indeed will talk to all major U.S. pro sport leagues, as well as some U.S. college football, the Premier League, FIFA World Cup, UFC, and boxing. But it is very difficult and possibly prohibitively expensive to secure theatrical rights. We will try. Nigga, he sound like he broke.
the bag light.
Cut the fucking game.
It gotta be.
Okay, and I don't want to hear nothing. I don't want to hear y'all motherfuckers talking about, oh, this ain't no fundamental play. This ain't no long-term play. Nigga, what the fuck it is? Nigga, y'all been in this bitch since January, nigga. Y'all talking about, y'all, we waiting for this bitch to squeeze. This bitch can squeeze any day now. Cut it out. I don't even want to hear y'all motherfuckers talking that bullshit no more. Cut the bullshit out.
Just turn and see at the sports bar for sure, bot. And we gonna talk about the other shit. You got some stocks you want to talk about later on. We gonna talk a little shit here
Cut
for a
it out.
minute. You got some tickers, bot.
Where y'all think this bitch going? Tell me. Where do you think this motherfucker go? I predicted it on today, Monday, that y'all would have a green day. I'm not surprised by this at all. And if you think I'm lying, you go back to the last show. You'll see it. I said it'll have about $3 a day.
I thought it was
I'm
gonna
not
go down
surprised.
today.
I'm not surprised. Okay, so let's cut the bullshit. Let's not get all hyped up over this shit, man. This is a $3 day. This is a bullshit day. $40? Whatever.
All right,
Whatever.
you pulled it up, bot. We gonna go into that one. We gonna go into that one when we start talking about the plays and shit. We throwing
Okay.
that one on.
Did Trey Trace come on TV today? Did he come on? Did
Yep.
he come online? He
Yep.
did. Let's hear what this man has to say about your stock while he's at the concert. You motherfuckers is sitting out there wondering when you're gonna get your money. And he's at a concert. Your financial advisor's in a concert. He's at the Rolling Loud concert, and I really want to know how much cocaine that boy put up his nose at that motherfucking concert.
Oh, you can
I
look at
really
him
do
and
want to
tell.
know.
You can
Okay,
look
I
at. You
want to
must see he
know.
in a. Hey, he got a new place now. He in a hotel now. He done moved out that one thing that quick. And he sounded
Wow.
like he was. He sounded like he had a long weekend, a big coke weekend.
Mm,
He treated his nose this weekend.
mm,
You better believe that.
mm.
Here we go.
Cut out. Let's hear.
Morning, you beautiful people. Welcome back to Trace Trades. We are up here in the pre-market about 2.51%. Nothing to get excited about by the least bit, but it's good to be back. And man, we had a freaking crazy, stupid weekend. So what is up, everybody? Over at Trace Trades, we freaking talk fast and don't skip class, baby. Like the preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor or expert. So take what I say with a grain of salt. Let's get into the video. So today, my friends, my fellow gorilla gang, I'm going to keep this nice and short, simple, sweet, to the point for you guys. I kind of want to touch on, a couple of different things. At the end of the video, I'll just explain to you why I'm in a hotel, kind of a goofy situation. But I went to Miami this weekend, and I think this is a pretty interesting topic to talk about, especially since there's so many things happening, within this AMC community that can kind of distract you and pull your attention away from certain things. The most recent one being the DTCC filing, which is actually a good thing. I'm actually going to dig into all 300 pages of that and put out a video here relatively soon, probably the next 1, 2, 3 days or so. But I want to talk about this because while I was in Miami, I met up with Review Dork, whose name is Gabe. And me and Gabe were talking over a couple of drinks, and I think, what did I order? I got a pizza. I think he got like
a lot of Coke.
I'm not one of those healthy guys. I'm not about that. But when we were talking over food, we were talking about some of the things in the AMC community that could
You said, well, over some Coke.
Destroy what's happening.
He said over in a line of Coke. He said he had a drink, and I said in a line of Coke.
And the second one is overcomplicating this overall squeeze scenario. Now, I say this all the time, not because it's just easy to say, but because I think this is what it is you've got three main factors that are playing into the hypothesis of the short squeeze. Have the shorts covered their positions? The answer is no. Are the apes still there? Do they still like the stock? The answer is yes. And is there still systemic problems within the stock market? The answer is also yes. Now, you are watching in real time the DTCC, NSCC, make up these filings that are actually making real fucking change in the stock market, which is something that you guys are doing. So pat yourselves on the back because that's freaking awesome. I mean, it's a good thing to see. But Titan, hey, come on now. Boy, nice. You can't be there. You silly chicken. But in other words, when we say you don't want to overcomplicate this, it's as simple as this.
Oops.
There's so many things that you can think about when looking at this overall stock. You've got this idea of the bonds, bonds being used as collateral. You've got the idea of a controlled squeeze, which has been talked about by the DTCC. I'll dig into that. That's at a different point. You've got the idea of how many billions of synthetic shares are out there, which you can't quantify, right? There's a bunch of different factors that can kind of distract you away from the main truth here. And the main truth, to be very blunt, is there's short interest. 85% of the exchange reported data given to Ortex is about 15% right now. And it's obviously a very, very conservative estimate in terms of what the short interest is. It could be 20, 25, 30, 35%. But the main point is there's still shorts in this stock that could get squeezed out. So that's an important thing, right? When I was sitting there with Gabe and talking about this in real time, it's...
Pause this. Has anybody ever talked about that the dark pool percentages have gone up? Has he even mentioned that the dark
he
pool?
Probably do, but he ain't gonna make it sound like it's nothing bad.
Oh, really? It went from 70% to 80% of shares that's being owned in the with AMC is in the dark pool. Really? Wow. It goes from 70 to 80% now? Is that where we at? Damn near 90. Some people saying damn near 90%.
And hell no, about he ain't gonna read all 300 of them pages.
Okay.
Or it says trades.
Yeah, this is the due diligence they post. Yeah, this is horrible.
You already know, man. This shit is so weak.
I don't get this. What the fuck is going on? Why is all these synthetic shorts out here for this stock? Please tell me. I want to know. All these synthetic shares. I want to know. Can somebody please tell me that? While y'all sitting out here all geeked up over a $3 day, can y'all please tell me why the percentages of shares being bought of AMC is in the dark pool? Can somebody tell me that? I want to know. Can Trey tell me that? Can Matt Backdoor Chorus tell me that? I mean, can they tell me that? I don't think they could, but hey, fuck it. Y'all keep on buying that shit, man. Keep buying it. It'll work out for you. Let me hear some more of this food. I can't hear it.
Hold on. Oops, I played the wrong thing.
Good to connect face to face and talk about the real hypothesis and the real sort of journey and stock that's laid out in front of us, the story that's laid out in front of us, the legacy that's being written in front of us. It's easy to get lost in all these different things that could potentially be, been going on, but we don't want to get distracted by that because Titan, come on, you little shit. But this is the truth. The truth is this stock can squeeze. It very, very, very easily can squeeze. And then another truth is, I think that you found the bottom. I think you found the bottom at that $31.10 mark. I guess 32 bucks, and it get a nice bounce. It's starting to set those overall higher lows. $31, $32. You've got $35. It's starting to stair step up to what I think is going to be a pretty bullish August. So what you're looking for this week, and kind of what I'm hypothecating is going to happen is each individual week, the pattern has been that you're seeing a nice push followed by a couple of days of the sideways trading. And what I'm hoping for this time around is that you get that same sort of thing. You get a nice push followed by a little bit of the sideways trading. What's that going to mean? I think it's going to mean you get a retest of 40.
You would think when you buy.
$5 leading into this next trading week, and then that's going to lead you to the next overall level of resistance, which is about 50 bucks. Hopefully, when it does that, right, I'm going to give you a little scenario on what I'm expecting is you're going to push over this descending level of resistance, a retest of $45. Maybe it takes one or two tries to get, right? But what you're looking for is ribs followed by consolidation. It's done it before, and I think it's going to do it again, right? This exact sort of pattern happened here leading up to that $77 push. You got ribs, consolidation, rib, consolidation, rib, consolidation, and consolidation doesn't mean it's just going to stay flat. It's going to go up and down. It's going to do the sideways fluff trading. And that's what I'm hoping for here with this upcoming trading week. So that's what you're watching for, my friends. That's what I've kind of got for this video. I'm going to keep it nice, simple, sweet, short to the point, because I think the most important message that we can remember here is two main things. Don't overcomplicate this trade. It's very, very freaking simple. The apes love this fucking stock, man. The shorts haven't covered their positions. It's an us versus them. It's a 99% versus the 1%. And they're 150% making it that way. So that's the game that you play. That's as simple as it gets. The second big point is don't let division, don't let any sort of freaking infiltration ruin the community. What's going on here? I think the most beautiful thing that I've seen over the last 72 hours is that you guys brought Matt's channel back from the fucking shadow realm again. It sucks that it happened to him. I mean, 100% obviously there's real problems with YouTube, but that's power. That's power behind the freaking apes and what you guys can do. So think about that. Think about what you guys.
What you guys? What about us? Wouldn't you be saying us? Why the fuck he saying you guys? Like he ain't part of the crew.
Been able to do so far in the last 7 months. You know, the quote Matt, what he
You know why? Because Train never know where to be motherfucking found.
said in his video, he said, we didn't come this far to only come this far. Keep that in the back of your mind, my friends. There's a real game here. There's real free chicken on the table, and it's yours for the taking. The floor is yours. Whatever you do with the stock is your decision. It's up to the apes to bring this thing wherever they want it to go.
There's free chicken on the table. So basically he said there's free money on the table, huh?
But that's what I've got for this video.
For the hedgies.
So why am I in this hotel right now? To be very, very sweet and short and to the point, my Airbnb that I was staying at, that I just checked into, apparently they had a no pet policy. I didn't see it on their website, but I unfortunately got removed from the Airbnb actually like 3 hours before I was supposed to leave for Miami. So my flight would have left at 6, and I got a phone call at 3 saying, hey, you got to be out of here by 6. So I freaking hightailed it back to my Airbnb, packed everything I owned into my car, and literally just left for the airport, got back Sunday, checked into this hotel, and I'm really hoping to be able to get into my apartment sometime here in the next week. But this place doesn't allow pets, so we got Titan. You're a little feisty chicken right now.
So what you think, man?
I think it's a bunch of bullshit.
What up?
I hope
what up? What up?
What up, G? How you living, bro? Personally, I hope he didn't say that this motherfucker's gonna run back up to $77.
I mean, he acting like it's gonna go past there. He just saying it's gonna consolidate. It's gonna shoot back up to this next trip. Ain't gonna happen.
$77. And what time frame?
He didn't say that.
Yeah, I bet. I there's more confirmation on him where he was on him and Matt Kors were both on TV at the same time on CNBC, right? And they both sat there and said that bitch was gonna run up from $60 all the way on up. There was never any intention that this motherfucking stock would be where it's at right now.
They, you know, they just speak for the right now, and they don't think motherfuckers gonna go back and do their
Okay.
homework because they just focused on right now. You already know.
Okay. But I'm just saying though, for all the people that do due diligence on this motherfucking stock, I guess they did their due diligence and they sat there on national TV and said that this motherfucking stock was about to squeeze all the way up from $60 all the way on up.
Like Bob was
Okay.
saying, they little due diligence ain't shit, man. That little fake ass due diligence they be talking about.
You know how much money that was lost? Just imagine how many people sat there and believed that shit when they saw them on CNBC saying that this bitch was gonna rip all the way up.
Oh, you already know. A lot of people.
How much? How many motherfuckers? How much money was lost just on options alone? Forget the stock. What about the options alone? Because you know when they got on TV that day, them motherfuckers sat there and had people geeked up to buy more options.
Yeah,
How many people bought options?
been getting murdered?
Okay. How many? They was doing all kind of strikes, $200 strikes, $175 strikes when they got on TV and said that it was gonna rip all the way up, and from that point on, they went all the way down.
Getting murdered.
Cut it out. Due diligence, huh? They studied all the motherfucking charts, all them charts that they studied, and they led you down a path of destruction. You down half your motherfucking bag. From that point on, cut it out. Okay. Now you gonna continue to listen to this guy? This wasn't supposed to be no long-term hold. Am I correct? Or maybe I'm wrong. Is this supposed to be a long-term hold? I thought this shit was supposed to.
Till whenever the squeeze was over, so it's not really never been no date on the shit. You know what I'm saying? Till whenever the grand finale happens. You know what I'm saying? That's what they hold known for.
But they said this bitch was gonna squeeze any minute now. We've been hearing this for damn near 3 months, right?
Yeah, but they
Damn
been
near.
tapering back on that shit now. They ain't really been saying that shit as aggressively now, if you notice. They just trying to get out this $40 funk and try to start pushing up. That's what they on now. And you see, he said he about to start simplifying this shit. Because who told him that he was doing too much anyway? We've been saying that.
Oh. So they following what we doing now, huh?
I don't know.
They trying to simplify. That's what it sound like to me.
Yeah.
That's what it sound like to me. Okay. I don't know. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? They ain't got to give us our credit. That's cool. But at the end of the day, these motherfuckers done led people down a path of destruction from $60 all the way down. People have seen nothing but pressure. Is it not true? From that point on, they've been seeing nothing but pressure.
Yep.
Like, I don't know. That sound like a squeeze, but it ain't the squeeze that you was looking for. Straight the fuck up. That wasn't the squeeze that you was looking for. You was looking for another squeeze. Okay? I'm
Ain't
cool.
gonna happen.
And Adam Aaron, like I told you, y'all think that UFC shit that y'all gonna have at them theaters gonna do something. Can we please see the next fight? Show me the picture of that next fight with Adam Aaron. I want to see it.
Well, on his Twitter
I think yeah, it's on his Twitter page. It was right underneath that other one. That right there. Okay, Lewis versus Game. Okay, now exactly. Now, I ask anybody that's investing in the stock market, that's invested in AMC, that's connected to UFC, I ask you, do you really think this motherfucker is going to do numbers? Like Conor McGregor or something like that? They need to do Conor McGregor numbers every time that they have have an event like this at their theater. Do you really think this thing is going to turn out people?
No, absolutely not.
Okay, I've never heard of these guys before. I'm not saying that they're unknown. Okay,
I'm not a big UFC guy in the first place, so
me neither. So I'm asking for all the UFC fans out there. Okay, is this really a big time fight? Is this a fight where people gonna sit there and say, I'm gonna pay $25 just to go to the AMC theaters and hang out there? Really? You really believe this is gonna do any numbers? I don't know if it's gonna do any numbers for this. Okay. Space Jam went down 70% in the second
Yeah.
week. 70%. Okay. Space Jam went down 70%. This is LeBron James we talking about. Okay.
The movies just ain't hitting it, man. They'll be bankrupt. They'll be bankrupt. They'll be down to talking some bankrupt shit in the next year or so. Believe that. And don't let us get locked down.
Oh, that's coming.
So it's a heavyweight title fight. So are they good? See, I ain't really hip to UFC, but are they pretty decent? It's gonna be a good fight. I might watch it if it's gonna be cool.
Is it good enough? Is it good enough for a motherfucker to pay $25 for a ticket?
You see, I'm
be
ordering
an
at the crib. He said he ordering that bad boy at the crib.
Okay, and that's my point. AMC needs something bigger than that. That ain't gonna hold it. That'll bring in a couple dollars, but that ain't gonna do nothing.
So they some top fighters.
They probably are some top fighters. I'm not saying that they're not.
I was wondering shit. I don't know shit about them motherfuckers.
I don't either. But at the end of the day, but you know Conor McGregor though, right?
He said AMC.
It's not a place for you.
UFC, maybe AMC. It's gonna be to an entertainment bar. This is gonna be yeah, they need to do that, but they ain't about to do that, bot. You already know they're not about to do that.
I don't know.
That they probably would be better off that though. They would definitely be better off. But what's the chances of them doing that, bro?
Me personally, I turn that motherfucker into a gambling house. That's what I turn that bitch into.
What you talking about, like a casino or something?
Yeah, or a bookie, a sports bookie place. They having sport. They trying to have, you know, what I'm saying sports events
showing
and
the games, and you can bet them motherfuckers too or something.
Yeah, they definitely need to turn that motherfucker into a gambling house. Straight the fuck up.
Anything would be better than that shit they doing right now. I tell you that. That's a damn show. Yo, mic messing up, dude.
Yeah. So, overall, that shit is whack. Okay, that fight ain't gonna bring no numbers. So your numbers is gonna be trash in August. I wanted to bet your numbers gonna be trash. And
yeah, you already know that.
And
you said that earnings coming what next week?
Next week or so. It's coming up. I ain't.
That bitch gonna crash on that earnings. I bet.
And then God forbid he have a shutdown. Don't let a shutdown come.
Cause they talking about that Delta variant. They keep on trying to hype that shit up. So you already know what's about to go on.
Yeah, they having mandates. They about to be having mandates where everybody gonna have to get that shot, and it's gonna be the law. You ain't gonna be able to get into restaurants in a minute.
For real?
Yeah. Yeah. They gonna be talking about if you ain't vaccinated, you ain't getting in that motherfucking restaurant.
So what you gotta do? What you get some kind of card or some shit when you get that vaccination and stuff?
You gonna have some
sort of. It's gonna damn be like your damn driver's license. You got to carry that motherfucker around, huh?
Yeah. Pretty much.
That's ridiculous. Why the fuck is they trying to make people take that shit, man?
Because they saying it just, I don't know.
I don't like that shit, man. They trying to force. I don't want that shit, man.
Hey, they gonna force you to take it. Otherwise, you ain't be able to go nowhere. You ain't be able to go to Walmart.
You know I wear the mask, motherfucking shit.
I mean, I agree about that. It is a lawsuit.
You talk about. That's what I've been saying, bro. That's exactly what I've been saying.
Yeah.
HIPAA law.
Yeah. I mean, I agree with you. I'm not saying that you wrong on that.
You well versed about a lot of shit, but
yeah. So
what y'all think? So have any of y'all here took that shot? I ain't took that bitch, man. I don't want to take that motherfucker, man. I'm cool on that shit.
Yeah.
I think, like he said, also believe it's gonna be some kind of after effects, some kind of motherfucking side effects to that shit. Because they just put this shit out here so quick, so they really don't even know what the fuck is what with this shit. To really be honest,
you took it,
bro.
I mean, some people take it.
My mom just took it. I told her not to take that shit. So in Cali, you gotta prove you got a vax, but you don't have to tell someone you have AIDS. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Nah, fuck that. I feel you, bro.
Yep. So
I feel you.
You know, with those mandates happening.
Which one did you take, G? Which one of the vaccines did you take? And how long ago did you take it?
He said,
Oh, you 63. Okay, I
I
feel you,
understand.
bro.
I
I
understand.
feel you, bro.
I understand that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I really do.
He said COVID has been out for 2 years. I'm good. I'm not worried about the flu.
I mean, yeah, flu cases have been have gone
So
down
what? Basically,
dramatically.
so what? Basically, you said that's the flu bot.
It
That's how
is.
you said it is.
It kind of is.
Double shot in March. Okay, that's what's
You know
up.
what I'm saying?
Hopefully it work out. My mom and dad took it. I pray it ain't no bullshit with it,
Yeah.
bro. I swear I do. I swear I do. But in the way it's looking like they about to corner everybody into taking it
Yeah.
the way you
They
make.
ain't gonna.
Then they said they about to come out. Can you at least come out with a pill for them? I don't like no motherfucking needles, man.
They said it was coming out with a pill form, but they ain't brought that bitch out yet. That's what they say. I'm not sure if that's how true that is, but I think Johnson & Johnson is supposed to be coming out with a pill. I think. You know what I'm saying? I already got
He
two
said,
families. That shit gonna have me laying down in that bitch if I take it. The doctor. Hey, what's up, Doc? Where you been, boy?
"Oh, what up, Doc? Hell yeah, what up, Doc? We ain't seen from you in a minute, bro. What's going on?"
Been laying low. Where you been, bro?
Doc been in the cut.
So,
Yeah, I feel you, Doc. I ain't taking that shit either, man. Unless they got it where you just gotta take it. That's only how I'm taking that bitch.
that's how they gonna have it.
It is. Look at this. Bro.
Yeah.
So
Because
basically, you saying ain't too many bodies dropping from that shit, huh?
because even with they making all government employees take that motherfucker, man, or they gotta do regular testing, and that
For
could
real?
be that could
So
be
basically,
like
they try to make your life hard if you don't take that shit. Pretty much.
yep. You
That's
want to
what's
take
up, bro. That's what's up.
so yeah, they gonna make you take that motherfucker. And so where's AMC gonna be at throughout all this bullshit? Where's it gonna be at?
I don't know.
Huh?
Maybe it's put like this. The way it sounded, they gonna damn near try to make everybody take that damn shot. And look, say they make everybody take that damn shot, and that shit still getting out here. Then what? That tell you that shot ain't shit, don't it?
Yeah.
I bet you if they make everybody take that fucking shot. But how can you make motherfuckers take that shit? I guess you said they gonna limit
They
shit
gonna
that
corner
people
you.
can do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna be able to go into Walmart. You ain't gonna be able to go into the gas station and shit.
Why don't they just do out some stores? Check my motherfucking temperature. If I ain't hot and I'm straight, motherfucker, let me go up in here. What the fuck you making me take this shit for? I don't trust
That ain't
this
gonna be
shit.
good enough. Okay. It ain't gonna be
He said,
good
I ain't
enough.
taking a fucking thing with a nap. I feel you, bro. And I don't even take them like that to keep it a bean. Cali is going back
Yep.
on some type of lockdown.
Yeah.
Damn, for real?
Yeah, it is.
Those
Everything
look
going
the
back
years they
like that.
bought my symptom. For real, for real. Hey, bot you in Cali or something? Because you be talking that Cali talk. I was thinking today if people were frustrated with the polio shot and or booster.
When they were young. I did go to see my 89-year-old mom. Yeah, that's possible. They probably had the same polio. They probably had that, but everybody took a polio shot in the end.
They did, huh?
When you're born, think about it. Everybody take polio shots and shit.
But believe me, but did they put that shit out on a fly like that? Just think how quick this shit just came out.
Probably.
Because they usually say that shit take years. Because you probably want to give that shit to people and then make sure and then see like the side effects. They just giving this shit to everybody. Come on,
They
dog.
did that with H1N1, so I'm gonna say yeah.
Well, they had a vaccine for that.
Yeah.
Fuck no, I'd rather die. Damn, it's like that's how you feel about.
I mean, I don't blame him. Shit, with the prices of living in California.
Yeah, that shit high.
I don't blame you. Shit, fuck that. I'm good. Yeah, but they just rolled that motherfucker H1N1 vaccine out on everything. They ain't waste no motherfucking
people
time.
did a lot of people take it because
They took it.
I don't remember it being no big deal like this shit right here.
Shit.
It didn't
wasn't
stick
as
around
big
long as this.
It was bad because they had a vaccine for it. You know what I'm saying? It had to been bad if they had a vaccine.
And they came out with a vaccine real quick like they did here too. Huh?
Kind of, yeah.
How long was that H1N1 shit around? I don't really remember.
It wasn't around probably like.
He said, I didn't either.
No, I didn't take it either. Cancer and baby powder. I'm good. Yeah. So, you said how long did it last? I'd
Yeah, how
say
long
it
was
probably
that
lasted
H1N1
about a
shit
year.
around?
It
Because this
probably
going on
it
what for
go
Corona? This like
Corona
what going on year two?
2019, 2019, year two. Yeah, it's about a year and a half. I mean, from the first diagnosis. Yeah, it's almost a year and a half.
So would you say it's tapering down?
As far as like
I
deaths,
don't think as
yeah,
many people dying from it. Yeah, that's
yeah,
probably what it is
yeah,
more so than anything,
deaths.
which is good. So, what do you think over time our bodies is getting used to that shit being around? Maybe is that
Well,
what it might be?
no, they claiming that the motherfucker gonna be is for it's affecting people that ain't got that has never taken the vaccine. That's what they claim. You know what I'm saying?
So they
Everybody
saying
that's
that's the
getting
only people that got this shit going around right now. And,
no,
and, and, and
no.
how many?
They've been
You said
building these right.
they've been building these viruses. I believe that, bro. That shit just ain't come out of no motherfucking where. That shit population control. Me and my brother was talking about this shit yesterday. You don't think it was a part of that? That shit just come out of nowhere and just start knocking people off like that. I remember in New York, they said them hospitals was full to the motherfuckers. The motherfuckers was just dropping.
Some people say it wasn't even that full. Some people say Elon Musk said that he was sending ventilators to hospitals and they were half capacity. Elon Musk was saying that. So I don't know how true that is, but he said that they were half capacity. So somebody lying. I don't know who it is, but somebody lying. Okay, because 1 minute they saying that the hospitals is full, and then another minute somebody is saying that the motherfuckers was half capacity. Somebody's lying.
But it was a lot of motherfuckers dying though. So you can't that's bottom line
So
right
they
there.
say
Shit. It
hospitals were
ain't
getting
no.
paid. Hospitals were getting paid to say that motherfucker had coronavirus or died of coronavirus. They were getting paid for that. So we don't necessarily
So you
know.
think sometimes a motherfucker might have died of something else, but then they just put it on Corona's body count.
Yeah,
I mean, anything possible.
yeah. That was documented. That ain't my theory. That ain't nothing what
So
I
he was
think.
against the
That's
hospitals.
okay.
Oh, he think the hospitals is the ones who you think the hospitals is the one who started that shit, G?
Possible. It's possible.
It had to be some kind of scientist, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? It gotta be.
Say God died on a motorcycle, died from COVID. They did that a lot. I
For
mean,
real?
yeah. I mean, think about it. DMX died of coronavirus.
They did. I don't think they put that. They said that was
Shit.
like he had a heart attack from like a crack for some shit or something.
Shit.
I don't
I
think
think they
they
put
put. They said he
coronavirus on there
had
too.
COVID though. They did said he had that too,
Yeah.
but I think more than likely the cause of death probably was that other shit though, a drug overdose. Believe that's on his death certificate.
Okay, I bet you that was on there too. I bet you COVID was on there
Damn.
too.
Conspiracy, organ harvesting, and killing the
COVID
population.
population. Yeah.
So what organ harvesting? What? So they just keeping organs what to giving to people when they be like kidneys and shit like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Damn, that's wicked. If motherfuckers out here doing shit like that,
Oh
bro.
yeah. Yeah. So with all this stuff that's going on, I mean, even though I know we got off a little topic because we were talking about AMC, but it still all correlates to this shit.
He said to the elites. That's
Yeah.
crazy. But what you were saying?
Yeah. But at the end of the day, with all this stuff that's going on with coronavirus and it's another surge and possible lockdown, you know, long term, which is now it is a long term play because a lot of these motherfuckers is down $20-$30 a share on this motherfucker. So it's not a long term play, or you going to sell it at a loss. So with all this Delta variant stuff going on, and man, AMC gonna might fall down to the ground. Their numbers gonna be shitty. And let's talk about the numbers that they're going to produce in September. Boy, I mean not September, but November, October, November. Boy, that earnings on that motherfucker gonna be horrible. Horrible. Ain't nobody going to the movies. They barely going now. Okay, everybody staying at home. And the UFC fighting thing ain't gonna save this motherfucker stock. Ain't gonna save it. Where you think this motherfucker gonna go tomorrow?
I mean, down. I'm gonna say down $3 again. Hopefully, I'm right this time. Shit, I was wrong. Shit, down $3-4.
$3-4. Huh?
Unless they give them up, I'm here down. I've seen Apes talk about Black Monday next week, saying the market will crash, but somehow AMC and GMB. For real, they saying that shit.
AMC will hit mid-40s.
So what you think tomorrow's gonna hit mid-40s, bot?
It's possible. I wouldn't rule it out. They're gonna give them a little bit of hope. They're gonna give these motherfuckers a little hope. They're gonna be like, yeah, we back. We back. We on our way to 70.
So what you think they about to give them 2 green days in a row?
It's possible. I can see.
I mean, it could be. It could be. Put it like this: I wouldn't bet that it was gonna go down. It could be. So what is this thing gonna touch $50?
I mean, it possibly could. I said it could go to 50.
Put that in YouTube and watch videos. I'm seeing Reddit posts and Weeble comments. AMC could pop to the 50s, then fall. Okay. Let's see. I mean, I wouldn't doubt it though. They just gonna get more people in at that price before they drop it. I could believe that.
That's what they're gonna do.
I definitely wouldn't bet against it. Put it like that.
It's gonna do that. I wouldn't doubt it.
You said Black Monday. Put that. Let me see. They talking about some Black Monday.
Let me see that.
These motherfuckers know how to come up with some new shit, don't they?
AMC and GME gonna school you, huh?
Black Monday. So me putting Black Monday. Black Monday.
What do you think about hedges going long on AMC? Some hedge funds going long on AMC.
I just want to know too many people was talking about that.
What do you say about that? What do you think that is? What do you think that's all about?
You asking me?
Mm-hmm.
He said, I think it will hit mid to upper 40s. What, tomorrow, G? Hold up. He said, it's Taco Tuesday tomorrow. Can't be a bad day. Okay. Yeah, at this point, hedge funds are toying with them. All the shit Apes said and have done to the devil. I can see they were toying with the Apes. How long you think they're going to hold that bitch up, Bob? They went long. Shit, they'll have 4 million shares in calls. So hold on. What, they hedging or something?
Yeah. What they doing? You know what they doing?
They playing quick. They playing quick.
Yep.
They playing quick options because they don't even affect the market anyway. So they'll play them options knowing they ain't about to drop it yet. But they got the big long position, the short position.
Yeah. That's exactly what they doing.
They doing that. Is that what they doing, Bob?
Yeah. That's what they call hedge funds. Bets.
Is that what they doing, Bob? They short heavy, but they'll play these little. They'll jump in and out these options. That's masterful if that's what they doing. Yeah. So really, how can they ever go broke and they playing both ways? And they know they overall they going long. They can't lose with these options because they know that's wicked if that's what the fuck they doing.
Oh yeah, that's what they doing.
And then that way they can play this shit and don't even affect the stock price.
And the loss won't be as bad. And the loss won't be as bad just in case.
And think you know what they probably doing with that? Now that I hear that, that's covering up whatever little shit they paying to short this motherfucker. You see what I'm saying? Plus some profit though. Not just only that, plus some profit. Ain't no way they losing.
Yep.
If they doing that shit, they got their ass covered. They can do this shit all day.
All day long.
And the thing is, the Apes ain't gonna be able to have enough money to even keep this stock up. They're not gonna be able to keep on buying this shit.
So
you know that.
Basically,
that's gonna become a problem.
And think about it like this from this perspective: the hedge funds are selling their positions, right?
Selling what
they're
position?
taking in new money. They're selling in their long positions because they're not holding this bitch forever.
No,
they getting in and out, right? So they taking a profit. Meanwhile, the retail investor ain't taking no motherfucking profit. They
Unless
just
they jumping in off them options. Some of them motherfuckers probably jumping in on options too.
they're not gonna do that. They gonna have crazy strike prices. They not playing no $60 no $60 strike price. They playing damn near 90, 100. Cause that's where they think this
But
trades is
still,
sitting there talking about this bitch gonna run to $70 something.
But say I believe in say if you did even have a $90 strike price or some shit like that, and that bitch was going up, and you got in right now, I believe you still good though. It don't even matter.
They ain't gonna
You can
sell it.
sell that bitch still at a profit.
They ain't gonna sell it. They gonna hold it because they think it's gonna squeeze.
Now, see, that's their own fault. He said, "Wait for Robinhood IPO day. All the hate for artists will lead to retail short and Robinhood Citadel is long on the IPO. They will let Apes dig a hole short in the stock." Exactly.
So you believing that this motherfucker gonna go up? Robinhood gonna go up? That's what he's saying.
He said, "All the hate for Robinhood will lead to retail short and Robinhood." He said, "When the apes get squeezed on Robinhood, they will have to sell AMC."
Wow.
So you think they about to set apes up for the whammy with this Robinhood? When is Robinhood IPOing?
Do they think that the apes is gonna short this motherfucker, or they go along?
I guess he said they gonna short that bitch. He said he long. He think with all the hate on with Robinhood, the apes gonna try to short that bitch, and they
I
about
can
to
believe
put a
that.
whammy on. And they gonna get squalls, basically, is what he said.
So tell me this: you gonna buy this motherfucker the first day it come out?
Next week, damn, that bitch on the way.
Yeah. You buying it? You buying it when it first hit the street? Will you plan on buying it?
He said Robinhood. Doc said Robinhood is going to spike the first hour, and then it's going to dip like a bitch. That's when it's probably going to be a good buy. Once that bitch dip, and that bitch probably going to dip for probably about what, a few weeks or something, maybe a month. I'm sure. Do anybody know what price is coming out?
The price they said. I thought they said it was gonna be like $38, $40. I could be wrong though. I think it's like $38, $40. I think.
If that's the price, you'll probably be able to get some of that shit like probably 18, 19 motherfucking dollars or some shit.
Maybe. Because if it IPO at 40, yeah. If it IPO at 40,
I say at the high maybe 24.
nah, because it's
30,
gonna
40.
spike up to like 60. Watch, it's probably gonna start off at 35. Yeah, 38, 42. That's what I thought. It might spike up to like 60 or something, $70 first day.
He said it could be higher. So you see that bitch going to 60, it's gonna hold it that day, or is that bitch gonna drop though?
It depends.
Is it gonna go up and down in the same day, or is it gonna go up, hold it, and then drop?
It kind of depends. Honestly, I'm not sure. It really depends on how bad motherfuckers really want it, how much they really believe in that.
Stay away for the first few days.
Yeah, I ain't fucking with it.
I think it's the. You said what? It's this Thursday. What, in a couple days?
Yeah. Coinbase dropped like a motherfucker. I remember Coinbase. Coinbase opened up down there $300. I think.
Where Coinbase at right now?
Instead, it went up because of
It's past 300.
No, I'll say it's like 240.
Let's see.
Yeah, I think it's like $240, $250 or something like that. Because they had a good day today.
Oh no, what about to say? Go up and down same day. That's what I've seen on most IPOs. So basically, if you could jump in that bitch off the rip and hop out real quick, it's a little bag to get.
No,
245.
it depends.
Good shit, G. I was about to put that bitch up too. I'll probably still put it up.
Went up to 400. Yeah, that's what I thought. I know Coinbase went up. Yeah, it skyrocketed when that bitch came out. I remember that shit.
You think Kevin Durant's still in it?
He could be, because sometimes when you IPO that shit, they gotta hold
You
that
gotta
shit for
hold
a
it for a
certain.
certain period. You can't just sell it.
Nope.
Yeah.
So he might still be in it if it's past 6 months. I think they gotta normally
Coinbase
hold
so
it for like
far.
6 months.
Damn. It lost half of that weight.
Yeah.
Yep, could be a trap. Damn.
Yeah, I'm gonna
That's
wait.
crazy, bro.
Facebook fell down. I remember when Facebook first IPO'd. It IPO'd to like $40, and that bitch tanked to like into the
The
20s, man.
52 week is 208 to 429. So that bitch leaning towards the low. That
Yeah,
motherfucker, damn.
it was at the
That
low.
bitch,
Look what it did. It had a $20 day today.
damn. That's
The bitch rose.
crazy.
Yeah, that bitch was down. That bitch was leaking for a minute, straight up. That's what that shit is
And
about.
I'm sure crypto taking this shit is what's killing this motherfucker though, for
Yep,
real.
that's what it
That's
was.
all it is. Coinbase gonna
Yeah,
do the go off though.
yep. Coinbase going back to 400.
He's gonna go past 400 when crypto
Yeah,
lift off this next time.
yep. Might be an $800 stock
Yeah, it's
one
gonna
day.
dance.
You know what I'm saying? That
But
bitch gonna
crypto
really
ain't done
go.
selling off though.
I agree with that. Yeah,
So
it's just a
really,
good day.
Coinbase it might get below $200 once all this shit said and done
Will
for
it
it.
go? Maybe it might just consolidate somewhere in the twos. I'm thinking maybe high 190s. I'm thinking high 190s. That's where I think it probably could go. Maybe 180s, but
He
I
said
don't see it.
Bitcoin fell three stacks today. Yeah, three
That's
bands.
crazy. It was up
He
4,000.
said
Shit.
that's why I don't hold that shit. Once that bitch drop real good, you better hold it right now. It's just too dangerous. I don't recommend holding that shit either if you ain't already in just for the long play. But I ain't buying no crypto till like the end of the year, man.
Yeah, I ain't buying that shit either. Fuck that.
They about to play with that shit for a minute. He said, I really think Bitcoin will hit 8K. Damn, I heard some people saying that 10,000
Damn.
shit. That mean 8K is gonna be some real motherfucking value buying there and shit. I welcome it. I hope you right, G. To be honest, I heard people saying that $10,000 shit. So maybe that motherfucker might. Cause Bitcoin, I mean crypto in general, it can run, it can drop hard and heavy, just like it can go up
Yeah.
hard and fast. Shit, it go both ways.
Mm-hmm.
It's very volatile.
Yeah, it's just gone again already. Dogecoin at 19 cent again.
Once this shit all said and done, Dogecoin gonna be in the single digits. Dogecoin gonna probably be like 7-8 cents. I got a crypto way
I'm
too
buying that
volatile.
then.
Yeah, it's
I ain't
very
gonna lie.
volatile.
I'm gonna dip my toe in if Dogecoin get like 9 cent, 8 cent. I'm dipping my toe in that motherfucker then.
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck with Doge
I'm gonna
too.
get a position in Dogecoin if it get to the single digits for sure.
See, y'all just gotta wait for this set off. It's gonna be some good buying. Don't give up on crypto, dog.
Yeah, I ain't giving up on crypto. Fuck that. I'm cool. That's a long
It's
term play for
definitely gonna
me.
be some good buying.
I'm not selling that shit. Once I'm
It's
in,
just too
I'm in.
it's just too dangerous to get in a new position right now. No, just let this shit shake out. When they be having these green days, it's trying to get some suckers in, thinking it's about to be another bull rally right now. But the Bears got that motherfucker right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's all that is. That's a straight bull trap right now. Them green days.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm getting in. Crypto gonna be the spot. I'll just stay in. That's something you
Yeah,
hold.
you just gotta let that shit shake itself out.
Okay.
Think when Bitcoin gets like 8 bands, that motherfucker done leaked all the way out down there, man.
Yep.
You can start entering at that point when you see that motherfucker down like that.
Mm-hmm.
And think where everything else had Ethereum probably gonna be about if Bitcoin is 8,000, Ethereum might be
900.
$800. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it'd be like 900.
Shit was a pump and dump. You don't think it's going back up by? You think it's over with for crypto? Crypto is tied to the market fuckery. Yeah, it's heavily manipulated.
Yeah. But I don't even give a fuck about manipulation if you get it at the right price. Fuck
Yeah,
manipulation.
because you know what? They're gonna manipulate it down to $8 grand or whatever. So if you don't get caught up in that shit, say you already had your position, okay, keep that shit you got. But if you plan on buying more, shit, you know
That's
what
how
I'm
I'm
saying?
doing it. I
Yeah.
don't even, if I was in Dogecoin at 25, 30 cents, I'm not selling shit. I'm just gonna
No,
figure out a way to
you just
buy some
gonna
more.
reload at the bottom.
Shit, fuck that. See, that's
Cause
something
thing
you
when
hold.
when crypto when Bitcoin went down to what, like $4 grand? What was it, like 2-3 years ago, 4 years
Yeah,
ago, whatever that was?
yeah.
Motherfuckers probably thought it was over with. They was talking real bad about crypto then. Think that bitch shot up to what, 60, 70 bands from there?
Crazy.
Motherfuckers thought crypto was over at that point.
Yeah,
Cause it went up to what, like 20,000 at that point. Wasn't that
yeah,
the high back then?
yeah.
Something like
20,000.
20,000.
Then it went down to
And
5.
motherfuckers thought crypto shot its low right there. That's how they was trying to play it.
Yeah,
And you
I'm about.
could tell they in trouble because they trying to get that.
You
I
had
had
those since
those since
time.
19. So you ain't sold yet, Doc? That's good shit if you ain't sold, because that, and think the way Elon Musk is behind that shit. Once this next crypto rally, those gonna at least be what? It
Yeah,
might go up to $5 damn near or
yeah.
some
I
shit.
think so. I think those gonna go crazy. It's
Yeah,
gonna
we
make
don't got no
everybody
Doge right now, but we definitely looking to get in some Doge at the right price.
feel 2K. I buy.
If one fell to 2K.
What you think Bitcoin going down to
Bitcoin,
2,000? Nah, I
you
can't go with you on
tripping,
that, bro. I can't go
You
with you on
tripping,
that, bro.
bro.
I'm
Bitcoin
cool.
ain't going back down to 2 bands.
Those done. Yeah, I think that's how I'm moving it. But okay, but I look at it like this: if Elon's behind it, somebody else is gonna be crazy enough to get behind it
And
too.
say he'd say, I'll accept it to buy Teslas. And then somebody else, like you said, somebody else gonna follow suit. Walmart might start accepting Doge. Amazon. Because believe it's only a matter of time before these online retailers are going to be accepting like these cryptocurrencies. It's only a matter of time. Trust and believe that. I say within the next 3-4 years, that's going to
Yeah,
happen.
it's gonna happen, and that's why I say with crypto, crypto is a 3, 4, 5 year hold. Okay,
So what bot? You saying Bitcoin? You can really see Bitcoin going to 2 bands, bot?
I can't go down that far.
I can't rock with you there, my bro.
I can't do it.
I can't rock with you there.
Hey,
Like
if
I
it
said,
do that, motherfucker, I'm buying.
the 8,000, that's about the lowest I can see it going. To really be honest, there are places that accept what all accept Doge that you know of, but it's only down because crypto down. Exactly, Doc. Doge at 70 cents was showing strength. Now it's a joke. I mean, this is all minute, bro. They trying to
It's
hit
all
crypto
manipulation.
hard. They trying to hit crypto hard, in my opinion, Doc. You know what I'm saying? Hey, one of us, right? Me or you, or me and Marco or you. Hey, we don't know. We gonna find out. But I tend to say, after all this, I say around March next year, you gonna be saying something different.
Doge going to
You gonna be coming here like, man, I was wrong, bro. Like, yeah, I told you, should have bought you some Doge. Hey,
it's
put
gonna
like
go
this: if Doge
parabolic.
get down low, like in the single digits, bro, you better stock up.
Yeah, Doge get to 9 cent. I'm buying. I'm getting a
On
good position in
everything.
that already.
Crypto ain't over. Crypto ain't over, bot. Think it's the new wave. You got to look at it like this. Why they trying to make that digital dollar back with gold? They know it's a problem. They trying to adjust the shit because crypto disrupted. I forgot all the stores. You might be able to find it on Google. Word. I'm gonna try to look at that real quick.
So
Yeah, bot sound like he a crypto bear.
I mean,
So you bearish crypto buy, huh?
I can understand why a motherfucker could be bare with it. It's a lot of
Right
volatility.
now, but overall though,
Yeah, I ain't going with that. You know what I'm saying? But for all you AMC holders out there, okay, this is the kind of shit you hold long term. And this is the kind of shit that you deal with volatility on. You deal with the shit going up and down and going way down to where it's testing you. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I don't give a shit if it goes down. I want it to go down actually at this point right now. You know what I'm saying? I want it to go down. so I can buy some more, so I can get another position and get a bigger position, a way bigger position. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm into. Forget AMC.
They talking about 1,400 companies except Dogecoin, but probably a lot of them bullshit.
Try a bunch, but that's for now.
Oh, but they
Next,
saying we about to run down. What he said to eliminate crypto, go to one world currency where they control everything. Crypto can be banned within 10 years. Why would the banks and governments allow the poor to have something like crypto? I mean, you got a little point there. I'm not gonna hold crypto that long. Put it like this: on the next pop, I'm getting out at some point. So
it
I
depends
ain't
on
no
what
motherfucking
kind of
fool.
pop you talking about.
Shit, say when Bitcoin, say if Bitcoin go to 8,000.
Who's gonna control that one? Who's gonna control that one world currency? That who's gonna regulate that? That's the question that you gotta ask. Do you really think because we don't live in every country doesn't live with the same market that we have. And we have a free market society,
You
and I
said
don't know if
crypto.
I don't know if other countries have that.
You said crypto.
I don't know if you can go from rags to riches in every other country like the United States. Okay, there's a lot of countries there ain't no rags to riches story. You go to the UK, ain't no rags to riches story there. So my question is, do you really think that the regulations are going to be the same with the United States and let's say over there in Europe with the UK and with Italy and all the other countries that's over there? Do you really think they all going to be on one accord when regarding one world currency? I don't know. I don't know if they're going to be able to do that. Something tragic has to happen over the world for it to have one world currency. I don't see that. I don't see it.
Said
Mm-mm.
crypto trades are being run by algorithms and getting smarter every day. The little guys are being stumped on. Just what I've been seeing in my opinion. Yeah, but G, it's going to turn it around. It's going, but see, I think they just try and manipulate crypto down real low, and then even the big guys, they gonna buy in. They trying to dry that motherfucker down and scoop that shit up when
Yeah.
it's low and run it up. Believe they gonna buy it too.
And
It's just being
you
heavily manipulated right now, bro. It
okay?
ain't over with.
And with that one world currency, do you really, with all the beef that we got with China, do you really think China is gonna be in agreement with this with the United States, be in business with the United States regarding their currency? You know, China's worth more than the United States. You know that they'll be taking a loss,
He
kind of.
said, watch 5 to 10 years, crypto will be outlawed and we'll have a digital currency.
Mm.
Look at China, the same shit will happen worldwide. You know what? You might be right. I'm not gonna even bet against that. I'm not gonna be holding that shit that long. I'm gonna be dipping in and out.
Crypto.
And that you might be right. You might be right. They're gonna try to put some shit in the game. I could actually see that. But crypto gonna have a few runs
But
between now
something's
and
gonna
then
happen
though.
with the. But something's gonna happen
Shit.
with crypto. So I believe something's gonna happen with crypto to where you can't eliminate it. Something's gonna happen.
Maybe, but put like this, I ain't gonna be holding on long like that because I do kind of believe what Bot's saying, you know what I'm saying? But it's money to be made. So I'm gonna be as soon as them spikes, I'm gonna be selling them spikes once that shit go up cranking.
It's gonna be something that happen to where that you can't erase crypto.
He
Crypto is
said
here to
one world
stay.
government assemble after some major event. They will orchestrate some shit. Believe that.
Okay. They can
Whales
manipulate
control
it.
crypto. They can manipulate it whenever they feel like. Exactly. That's true. Yes, because the United States will no longer be the United States, China versus the US. Hey,
The United States would no longer be the United States. China versus us is all theater. Huh? Well, so I don't know. Me personally, I don't see it. I think something's gonna happen where crypto's here to stay. I don't think they're gonna let crypto just walk out the door. You know,
I put it like this: you might be right, but just to be safe, I'm gonna be selling, getting a profit. When it's some good profit, I'm
I
taking
mean,
that shit
yeah,
off
if
the
it's
table.
good profit, yeah, I
Because
would
you know
say,
it's gonna pull back. Is how volatile the shit is. Regardless of what's what, it's gonna be manipulated. Crypto could be the best thing since sliced bread, which it is pretty good. But they're gonna keep on playing with that shit. You know what I'm saying? So it's only gonna get so high before it pull back anyway. So you better off selling that rip at a certain point. It's gonna go further than where it was this last time. But then once it finds that upper level, it's gonna pull back.
Yeah, I'll probably sell it then.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta
If it
sell
goes to a
then.
place that it never been before, then I'll
Say
probably
what Bitcoin went to what 670,000 or whatever that was.
yeah.
Say Bitcoin might touch 100 this trip.
Mm-hmm.
Sell all your crypto at that point
Good.
because everything follow Bitcoin.
I probably would do that.
Once that bitch start tapping near 100, it's over. It's
Yeah.
going down again.
Yeah.
Yeah, buy low, sell high. That's what it is, straight up.
Yeah, I'm buying it if it get to that low. I'm taking my chances. Fuck it.
Hell yeah, because
Y'all
it ain't
motherfuckers.
over with. They gonna want you to think crypto. They gonna drive crypto into a ground and make people real scared that what they said, buy fear, sell the news. When motherfuckers is terrified of crypto and they saying it's over with for crypto. It's over with. It's over with. It's not gonna come back no more. When you start hearing that type of shit, you better start buying that shit. Once they dragging crypto through the mud, oh, it's about to be here come the run. The run coming.
Well, I just see crypto being here to stay.
I mean, it's possible, but it's not regulated. See, the U.S. gonna try to come up with some shit like they said, that digital currency. They already probably trying to get that shit in the makings where it's gonna be more lucrative for you to put your money there than having it in the bank. They gotta make some shit better.
They ain't gonna be able to do that. They're not gonna be able to do that. Are they gonna be able to? Because are they gonna be able to,
exactly
flip your money like that? Are they gonna be able to flip your money like that, like Bitcoin can?
Or you like gotta ride it, Doc. They're gonna have to come. They're gonna have to be competitive in a certain type of way. You can't put crypto out and you ain't offering something that may not be just as good, but it's gonna have to be something pretty decent. You can't just offer motherfuckers nothing.
I don't know.
It's a hassle, not a long term. It's a hustle. So you really don't fuck with crypto, huh? But the Fed already had them in the works. So what you saying? So what you saying about once this motherfucker drop all the way down? Like say once it drop, like say Bitcoin at 8,000, Bitcoin ain't gonna rip no more. Bitcoin ain't gonna put it like this. This is a better question I can ask you. Is Bitcoin gonna ever see 60,000, 70,000 range again?
He gonna say no.
Only quick flips. See, you might lose some money. I mean, it's definitely gonna be some money in the quick flip, but I might like that long ride too. But I think I gotta ride that long ride, bro. I gotta ride that long ride on this one, bro.
I'm riding the long ride on that.
But the quick flip, you gonna make bank too, though, bot. Most definitely. You know what I'm saying?
You gonna see pressure.
You might gonna wish you would have held that bitch though.
Yeah, you gonna see pressure though when you do that quick flips.
He said Bitcoin is safe for the next 3 years. That's what's up. You know what I'm saying? So basically, you saying you well shit. You can ride that motherfucker once that bitch bottom out. Shit, you can ride that bitch. Is Bitcoin gonna touch 100 bands, bot? Doc, anybody else? G, is it gonna touch 100 bands in y'all opinion? I'll say it touch 100 or get real close this next run up.
That shit gonna be parabolic, boy, when they do that.
It's gonna be going stupid for months.
I see this motherfucker running.
I think something gonna happen where
crypto ain't going. You ain't able to get rid of crypto like that.
They gonna have to come up with something good. That digital dollar gonna have to be a motherfucker. That's what it's going to be. Or to take crypto
ain't gonna add up.
You said it said does 200, Doc?
He says 200.
He said 2. You talking about 200, Doc?
Then so the 39. That's
you got in at 31K and bitch.
If you bought 4, that's 32,000 off of rip. I mean, yeah, that's cool.
But Bitcoin gonna drop lower than that, bot. Get that motherfucker when it get to the teens or when it start getting like that.
I mean, 30,000. That's cool. What if you ran that bitch up to 100?
But he's saying getting in at 31. If you got in at 31, but shit, you might as well wait till that bitch drop down. Whatever money you was gonna put in that bitch, you would be able to get more bang for your buck when that bitch drop. Unless you just trying to ride it, then when it go up, then sell it. But you think where's Bitcoin at right now?
Bitcoin down there is like 36,000.
Is it?
Yeah. If you did it in 3 days, then that'd be different. It'd be different. I mean, I understand
Oh
that.
yeah, that's what's up. In 3 days, hell yeah, that's
Yeah,
a
if you did it
nice
in three
bag.
days. Yeah, if you
Hell
did it
yeah,
in
that's
three
a hell of a
days, yeah.
bag for 3 days,
Yeah,
but
I would
for
do that.
sure. He said not
I thought
2K,
you,
not 200K, two. You mean two what? 2,000?
huh? 32,000 in 3 days.
No, he said
He said
Doc. He
200,
said he said it does too. He said not 200K, two.
2,000. You think it's going to
That's what I'm
2,000?
wondering. Oh yeah, yeah, Doc. You definitely on point on that, Bob.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you could definitely play it like that, Bob. You could definitely play it like that. I'm just gonna wait till that bitch bottom out, and then just grab something, just ride that bitch, ride the whole ride all
Yep.
the way up.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel you. It ain't bad to do it the way you doing it either. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
So, yeah, I want to ride that bitch up. You said 100K. You said 100K. That's where I think it probably go. I probably would sell out at 100,000.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
am.
yeah. Well,
I would
yeah.
sell at
I
100,000.
think once it start getting close to them 90 range and shit, it's
Yeah, I'm
time to
selling.
go.
I'm out.
It's time to
Yeah, I
go because that
probably.
bitch about to drop.
Yeah, I'll sell out of there.
And that go for all your cryptos, whatever cryptos was all that, because Bitcoin lead the whole charge anyway. So whatever
So,
cryptos you in, once you see Bitcoin at that, it's time to sell your shit.
you think bottom is 28?
Oh, I think it's going lower than that, Bob. I'll
It's
say
36.
the highest bottom I see is probably like 22.
It's 21, 22. Yeah.
The lowest, that 8 might be a little real low. Like I say the lowest, realistically, maybe like
I mean, it's like 15.
yeah, 13, 14. I was about to say some shit like that.
That's far as I think it go. I
He
think
said,
like
"What's the percentage from now to 100K?" Shit, that's down there. What?
it's
Ain't that
almost like
like down there
300%.
60%? No,
No, it's like 300%. I think.
cause think if you at 30,000 to do 30 one more time, you could do 33 times and be 90.
It's like 300%. I think. I think that's what it is.
Cause you flipping it 3 times, huh? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's like 300%.
Okay. Yeah, that's right.
So, um, that shit right there. I'm selling that at 100K. Yeah, 300%.
312 with
So
310.
yeah. So I just think that crypto, that's a long term play. If you want to buy like our bot saying it, buy it at the bottom and sell
Just
the
be
spike.
sniping in and out. You know what I'm
Selling
saying?
the
That's
spike. I
G.
mean, yeah,
It's
that's
money
cool.
on
I
that.
can fuck with that.
Cause on the way down, it's definitely gonna be up and down, up and down.
Yeah,
So basically, he playing that whole momentum on the way
yeah,
down, and it's definitely a bag there. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah. It can work.
It's just hard to time. I just would. That's just like stressful to be timing that bitch, trying to
Yep.
catch
That's
it
why I
each
don't want to
time.
be
You
involved
know
in
what I'm
it.
saying? Then it might rip on you one time. You know what I'm saying? Just some crazy shit. So I just want to catch that motherfucker and be more, as less stress free as possible doing this shit.
Yeah,
You
that's
know
all I
what I'm
want to
saying?
do. I just want to buy it. Yeah, I mean, you can make some money scalping. I mean, ain't
Hell
that
yeah,
much.
you can.
Yeah, but
You
I
definitely
just don't.
can.
With with crypto, it's so volatile that I don't want to take that chance.
Yeah.
I don't want to take that chance. If it
Cause,
wasn't
cause
so
say, cause
volatile,
say you might be timing and you think you got the timing. That bitch might start dropping way more than you thought. You know what I'm saying? Before it's about to go up and all that. I just don't want to
yeah,
get caught up in that bullshit. But if you got patience, you will end up catching it back anyway. But I just
yeah,
don't want to get caught up in that shit. You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
But even when you thought you timed it on the way down, you might think you got you a good position. That bitch dropped down some more. But I'm waiting till that motherfucker damn near plummeted before I even dip my toe back in some crypto.
that's what I said. Yeah. I say realistically, Bitcoin goes down to maybe 15,000. That's about the far as I think we can go. Doge, that motherfucker go to single digits. That motherfucker could be like Tron. That motherfucker be like six,
We're
7 cents.
trying that right now.
Tron at 6 cents right now. Okay, and it probably can go that level. It's possible. I wouldn't rule it out. I mean, that motherfucker was 70 cents and it's down to 19 cents. That bitch done lost more than half its bag. Okay, so it could have dropped down another 10 cents. Hell yeah. Yeah,
Exactly.
it could do that for sure.
Definitely can do that.
It can go down another 10 cents. Okay. I made money scalp, but it was a lot of time and work. Yeah. See? Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's why I'm
Did you
trying to
feel?
simplify shit.
Tell me, G, was you feeling any pressure when you was doing
Hell
that?
yeah, hell yeah. He got caught up in some bad shit, trying to time shit.
What kind of pressure was you feeling?
But I mean, if you got the patience, it'll all work out for you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Most definitely. You're just gonna be wishing you would have bought in at a cheaper price.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna cut your profit down a little bit sometimes. Sometimes you might catch that bitch. You know what I'm saying? As long as you make profit, that's what you're trading for anyway. You know what I'm saying? So he said, I lost more hair. I feel you, bro. I'm trying to keep my shit and keep less gray in that shit as possible.
Uh-huh.
There's scalper groups on Discord that do live scalping. They'll tell you when to buy and sell. People make a lot of money. Oh, for real?
Okay, well shit, show me where it's at, baby.
That's real. That's good shit.
I might enter that shit. But you know what? Let's talk about that other stock that Bob was talking about. Let's look at that motherfucker.
Just Momo trading, following the charts.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, we about to bring your stock up. Bot, talk to us about it. Hey, Bot, we need you to hit that chat up and tell us about this. Tell us how what you think about it, and where it can go, what kind of bag we can get off this motherfucker. Anybody else in here, if y'all got to play a hidden gem.
BBIG. Vinco Ventures.
I'll be right back.
Vinco Ventures. Earnings date. No, earnings date. Opens at 318. I wonder what the volume is on this motherfucker. What's the volume on this bot? And how long you been looking at it? Don't ask me, all mine are bleeding. Mine is too, bro. Everybody got a position in motherfucking crypto right now is bleeding like a motherfucker on that shit. You ain't the only one, but you know what? I don't give a fuck that it's bleeding. I don't even care. Except today, 21 mil found it yesterday with the news they have out. 21 million. How many you plan on buying? How many shares you plan on buying? This one at 340. I gotta see what the 6-month chart look like. She wouldn't have left. I mean, the chart look healthy. Let me look at this motherfucker. My phone. 100. A couple $100 grand. Damn, boy, you balling. BPIG. IG. Let's see. 6-month chart. Yeah, this motherfucker ain't bad. Yeah, this bitch ain't bad at all. I like the chart. 6-month chart on that motherfucker. That bitch look alright. The average volume is 14 million. Yeah, I guess so. 200,000, that ain't bad. That's like 1%. No, a couple 100,000 shares, not thousands. Damn. A couple hundred. Okay, yeah, that motherfucker alright. Yeah, for that. Yeah, this bitch alright. This ain't a bad play. This ain't a bad play at all. Actually. It's a steady chart too. It's a nice steady chart. And your range, the 52-week high is 940. So shit, hell yeah. This motherfucker alright. I can fuck with that.
Well, so what's up with the stock?
I mean, it's a good looking stock. It ain't bad. I like that motherfucking chart. That motherfucking chart, all right. That motherfucker looks sturdy. It don't look like it's gonna do nothing crazy. It's gonna reach and development, sales, fulfillment company, and everything. It offers toys, plush homewares, and electronics to retailers, distributors, and manufacturers through the e-commerce. So yeah, dealing with e-commerce and everything, that's pretty decent. E-commerce is only
That's
gonna
that
get bigger.
internet business shit, ain't it?
So I mean, eventually, yeah, and with the coronavirus and everything happening, they sales should go up based on the Delta variant and everything. So yeah, that's not a motherfucker. Put out this $20. 20. I don't know if I will hold on for 20. I ain't gonna even lie unless that bitch just go parabolic one day. That motherfucker got to go from 3 to like 15 in one fucking day, man. Which it could do. It could do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that it can't. Me personally, I'm probably selling out at $12. I'm out at 12.
So you trying to get what, $9, $10?
Yeah, I'm out at $12. That's what I would sell it at. Most Universal's going to jump. And Zash has deals with Facebook and Snapchat already. Plus
Zash, that's this company right here? So not me, I'll hold.
I'll hold, huh? I mean, hey. Me personally, I'm out at 12, maybe $13 on that for me. I'm taking that money and go. I mean, let's see. Boxing, he trying to get 200,000.
Well, out of what? Out of this deal right here?
No, he got 200,000 shares. Okay.
Of this stock right here?
No. Of the BBIG, he's saying he trying to get 200,000, or he already got 200,000. I'm not sure which one he got.
You already got 200,000, bot?
Yeah. For me,
He said, check out.
Check VMHG.
We about to pull that up. What's the ticker?
VMHG. VMHG.
VMHG.
Let's see. This is 18 cents.
Which one?
Went up today. Damn near a penny. Let's see. This one. The volume is kind of light, bro. The average volume on this bitch is 350-something thousand. I mean,
he said he made some bank on this bitch though, and it's an OTC, huh?
This right here.
Where did you get in at? He said he made some bank on it.
Yeah, but I bet you.
Where did you get in and out? What was your entry and out? What was your intro and outro? So this is towards the high. He probably just sold this motherfucker, and it was at 7 at one point. So that was like what, 12? I wonder how long it took to do that.
Yeah, it took. Let's see. This bitch was $2-3 in March.
$2-3.
Yeah, this bitch was $2-3 in March.
Oh,
been tanking ever since. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at the 52 range.
I don't know. I don't know about this one, bro. I ain't gonna even front on you.
He said he got it in at 10 cents. So what are they about? Like, what kind of company is this? Damn, that bitch was almost $4, huh?
Luxury vessels worldwide provides new and used boats. You know what? Let me see. Cyclical yachts, leisure. Victory through its subsidiaries, Victory Yachts engaging in selling luxury vessels worldwide to provide new and used boats, as well as financing, insurance, documentation, accessories, and consulting services. The company is trying to get luxury and changed its name to Victory Marine Holdings in May 2018. Victory Marine Holdings. I'm not sure about this one, though.
Why? What you don't like about it?
Just, I don't. It's selling luxury vessels. They sell luxury vessels and they sell new and used boats. And I don't know. I don't like the way that motherfucker fell down all the way from $2 to where it's at right now. This bitch was $3.
When was it $3?
It was in March.
Damn.
It was, yeah, this thing.
Well, but that was.
That's 6 months ago. Almost 6 months ago.
You know why it dropped like that? Doc.
I don't know about this one.
But you know what? The whole OTC was taking a shit, but that's a lot of shit.
That's a big shit. That bitch.
But he might be right. That might not be a bad play though, for real.
I mean, that's a hell of a drop, man. And then you selling.
The OTC been getting manipulated itself.
Yeah, but look, could you really consider this a OTC? This motherfucker was $3 and some cents.
Oh, but it's still in the OTC. Regardless, no matter what the price is, it's in the OTC market. Just what like
I don't like the
XP.
volume on this motherfucker too, man. Think about it. Imagine holding 2 million shares of this motherfucker, man. With this volume.
And you said, what's the volume?
Volume is light. Volume is extremely light.
The volume.
The average volume is 350,000.
But you know one thing about volume, you know when some stocks go up, the volume come with the because they get on them scanners and see that it done went up. You ain't got to worry about the volume. When it's time to sell, they'll be there.
Say you held that motherfucker.
Part.
Let's say you held that motherfucker. Let's say you held that motherfucker for more than one day. And then the next day the volume goes back down to where it normally goes. Then what?
But the thing is, say like you got in at $10, 10 cent like that, and then that bitch shoot up to like 60 cent or 70 cent or have a big stupid shoot up in a day. You better sell it when it's hot. When everybody in there on the scanner, it'll be easy to get out. Now, if you're trying to set it on a regular day, it might be hard to get out, harder to get out. You'll get out, but it might take longer. But if you catch it when it's up them high percent, you'll get out quick as fuck because the volume gonna be there. That's a trick with that anyway. You're gonna be selling it when the volume is there because it's gonna be on the move. That's when you want to get rid of it.
I wouldn't expect much out of this one. I'm not even gonna lie.
I don't know.
On this one, I wouldn't expect much out of this one. You know what I'm saying?
GSM. That's a ticker we ain't even pulled up yet, right?
Yeah.
We about to pull that up.
Again, I'm back in. I mean, I feel you on that.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you got out, then you good. I just don't. I don't know. With this one, I kind of would be a little skeptical on this one. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch is gonna dip because it's already up there. You know what I'm saying? It's gotta have a pullback. I kind of wouldn't buy this bitch till it dumped down to 10 cent again, damn near. TSM.
Semiconductors. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Semiconductors, you're gonna be good. Yeah, that might not be a bad play right there.
Taiwan Semiconductor.
I would like to get it cheaper if I could.
Yeah, because it already ran up. I kind of would.
But it's definitely not a bad play. Because semiconductors it's in a lot of shit.
Yeah, but semiconductors ran up, man, because uh they've been running up the last few days. The motherfuckers
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't buy it right here, but
I
overall,
wouldn't
it's a
buy it
good
right
play
now.
though.
Yeah.
Cause semiconductors in your cars, in your cell phones,
Yeah,
all
but
type of shit.
they've been talking about shortages though.
Yeah, and it was just going when something is short, that means it's a
Shit, that
hella
motherfucker been
demand.
tanking ever since then, man. It's been tanking. The whole motherfucking semiconductor game been tanking. Look at the
I
last
guarantee it ain't over with for the semiconductors.
it's not I didn't say it was over, but I'm saying to you that even
They
when they
might be
said
under a little
that
pressure right now.
yeah, with the semiconductors, they were under a lot of pressure. All the semiconductors was under pressure. Okay, like I was trading the stock JKS and I was trading it at 60, 60, almost $70. Oh, this is months ago. I was trading it at $60, $70. And I sold that motherfucker. And I don't think I made it. I don't even think I made any money on that motherfucking play. And that bitch tanked to damn near $30-something.
Mm.
Now it's back in the 50s.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? It's back in the 50s now. But that bitch was trading down there $60, $70, and this was early this year. And I sold that motherfucker, and I thank God I sold that bitch.
Put it on the watch list. Hell yeah, that's what's up. We here exchanging knowledge, baby. Read that when you get a chance. Hey, read what, bot?
And Matt,
So that's another ticker.
it's another semiconductor. That one's $3.44. What's the volume? Average volume is 22.
What's a $3 play? A little less expensive too. Fuck.
Yeah, that motherfucker been tanking. This is all right. This is something I can fuck with because it's been tanking. That motherfucker, damn. That bitch went up to $19. I don't know. That wasn't that long ago. That bitch crashed.
And what, this bitch was 42 cents at one point? Yeah, this ain't bad.
Yeah, this motherfucker gonna be down like a motherfucker for a second, dog. That bitch shouldn't crash like this. This bitch tanked.
What that M at?
Yeah, that bitch was $19 on the 21st of June. That was a little over a month
Yeah,
ago.
wasn't it?
Yep. That bitch crashed.
But just tell you, that's gonna be a hell of a play because that bitch gonna pick back up.
Yeah, but it's gonna be down for a minute, I'm thinking.
The question is, how low is it gonna get?
I'm thinking at this rate, it's probably going to like $2.80. $2.80. That's what I'm thinking. You know what
So
I'm saying?
even getting in now, you ain't gonna get murdered.
No, you ain't getting murdered if you get in now. You know what I'm saying? But I think it might go to like 280 or some shit like that.
Maybe 2.25, depending on what they own.
Yeah. You want to buy that 280. 280. I'm going to keep it on my list. I'm going to keep this on my list. What's the other one you said? GTII?
It's going up about 5 in a month.
Global Tech. It's $1.89.
189. They coming up with some plays. And you ain't even gotta get your head busted to get in that shit. $0.15.
Yeah, that was 19. That was a reverse split price. That 19 was a reverse split. That bitch fell down like a motherfucker if it did.
When did it split?
When did it split? Yeah, that's the question.
This is OTC too.
What, GTI?
Yeah, say OTT.
Yeah. This motherfucker might run tomorrow.
What, this one right here?
Yeah. I got a feeling this bitch might run.
Why?
Yeah. I just do. I just got a feeling. You might see another pump. You might see this bitch up like to maybe 2.25 tomorrow. I'm thinking. Yeah. This might go to like 2.25 or some shit like that. This might have a little pump fake. Yeah, I mean it's not bad though. This ain't bad either. You know what I'm saying? Look how strong it stood all day. It stood strong than the motherfucker today. That bitch stood strong than a bitch.
So this bitch was
And
once 15 cents and hopped up to down there $5. That's a hell of a shot. But maybe
yeah,
that's that. If it split, you can't really believe that chart though.
what's the 52-week low? Oh, a penny.
Well,
Hell, I
see,
know.
this ain't right though, because if it split, you ain't really getting the real prices.
That bitch been tanking. It's been tanking all the way to what? 435. That's where it split at. So if it split at
It
435
did
and it's
start
been
split.
tanking,
So you know about that one too, Doc? It went to 11 pre-reverse split.
I'm just gonna say
It will go
19
past
ago,
20
never
within a
went to
year.
19. Only
He,
11 is
he,
being sure to help.
so
This is
Bot know about
what
this play too?
won't touch 280. You don't think he'll touch 280, huh? It's
Oh,
going
he
up
talking
to
about the
2.
other stock, huh?
You talking about the other one? You talking about what's that other one? MMAT?
It'll be wrong. Yep, this one.
I mean, like I said, that stock might not be a bad. I mean, you be cool if you got in at this point at 344. I'm not saying don't
And,
buy
and
at
he and he said it's
344.
plugged in with semiconductors. That's a hell of a
Yeah,
play.
yeah. So I mean, if you want to go in at 344, I wouldn't be. I wouldn't be. I
No,
wouldn't
he ain't
be
gonna take no
opposed to it.
beating.
You're not gonna take no beating, but I think it still could go down a little bit. I'm thinking it can go down. I'll say minimum like 280. If you get in at 280, you doing pretty good. But if you want to buy it at 344, I wouldn't be opposed to it either. I wouldn't say you a clown ass nigga for buying in at 344. So I mean, it's not a bad play. It's not a bad play at all, actually. I might buy this motherfucker. I'm gonna keep this bitch on my watch list, my damn self.
I'm definitely doing that.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that motherfucker on there. My damn self. Yeah, MMAT. Yeah, that's all right. 344. But I still sign off at 280. Me personally. But 344 is good.
He says going up to 4.
As long as it's going up. Hey, I might
What
buy a
was
little. I
that?
might dip my toe in that a little bit. I
It
might
went
buy
to
that motherfucker.
11. It is split.
Okay.
So the chart say 19. He never went to 19 on 11. He's been short to hell.
How long has it been? How long has it been? How long has this motherfucker been split?
That was that GII one, right?
You talking about GTII or MMAT? Which one you talking about? I think he talking about. I think he talking about MMAT. He talking about MMAT. That's what he's talking about.
So him and Bob both fucking with MAT, huh?
He said yeah,
Didn't Bob
yeah,
say MAT?
yeah, uh-huh,
So both of y'all fucking with MAT?
yeah, yeah. I can fuck with that.
You said go to the MAT website.
He said go to their website. Oh, you good. You good with that.
Yeah,
Get that.
man.
When the fuck did this thing split? For all you AMC motherfuckers out there, this is how you motherfucking, do your due diligence. You do your due diligence on some decent stocks, not no piece of shit stock like AMC. You dumb motherfuckers out there doing all this work on a piece of shit stock that's got 80% in the dark pool. What kind of mess is this? I wonder if these penny stocks has got 80% in the dark pool.
This is this the website?
Gotta be. They did it over the weekend, huh? Okay. So that was the 21st of June. So that
This
bitch
is
was,
hey, this the website they said? Cause I can't see the chat.
yeah, he said, yeah.
They into 5G too? I done went too far. I ain't even.
Shit, it's about to be 6G in a minute.
We ain't even got into 5G all that good yet.
Shit, yeah, we wasn't in the 5G. We wasn't when we was at 4G.
We
We
was on
wasn't in the
4G
5.
for a minute.
Yeah,
We at least gotta be on 5G about 4 years.
shit, I don't know.
5 years maybe.
You know, folks talking about going on the 6G.
Platform conscious water sensing software.
It's 3 core capabilities: holography, lithography, and wireless sensing and software. Is AI is artificial intelligence design driven. This allows us to develop a library of solutions, functional prototypes, much faster and at a lower cost than traditional chemical synthesis. We enable leading global brands to develop breakthrough products to their customers in consumer electronics, 5G communications, health and wellness, aerospace, automotive, and clean energy. Meta owns a broad and growing portfolio of intellectual properties and patents. Our achievements were widely recognized, being included named the Global Clean Tech 100 Company. Meta is from the Greek meaning to go beyond. Meta materials are a new class of functional materials designed around unique patterns or structures which cause them to interact with the light and other forms of energy in ways not found in nature. Metamaterials enable properties and capabilities that go beyond those in natural materials, but which are generally not possible to create using conventional material discovery or specialty chemical manufacturing technologies. The motherfuckers is into a lot of different shit, I see.
Yeah, that shit sounds solid though, for real.
Yeah.
They into energy and all that shit. It seems like it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it ain't that bad.
Or shit,
I
19.
still say 280 though. It's a good stock, but I still say
Yeah,
280.
they in some shit, but on the way up though, that bitch gonna go though. I think though.
Yeah.
So if you get into 83, 40, whatever the case is, so where you see this bitch topping out at?
He
But
said $20. He said $20.
it's possible.
I'm not gonna rule it out, but me personally,
Like you
I'm
said,
gonna
be
be real.
safe. Yeah.
Be realistic. I'm out at $12, $13.
Yeah, if you get enough shares, shit, that's a nice little lick though, for real.
Yeah, yeah. I'm out at 12, 13. Um, the other one he did, BBIG, that ain't bad either. It can go
If
to
they announce a
100.
deal with Tesla, it's over.
They do a
You
lot of.
think they will?
They announce a deal with Tesla.
To
So
100. They deal with a
anything's
lot of different
possible.
things. I see. They got their hand in a lot of different shit. That's for sure.
Yeah, anything's possible.
So you said you like this one right here. This
With BBIG,
yeah.
yeah, that ain't bad either. That's a decent stock too. I can fuck with that one as well. Yeah, I can fuck with that. That's a solid stock. It ain't bad. I bet you they heavily manipulated like AMC out this motherfucker.
You know it ain't.
I bet you it ain't.
Anybody else got some more plays to throw on the board? They deal with space exploration applications, solar projects. Yeah, they going to the moon. Now I can see this one going. It can go. It definitely can go. Like you said, it ain't manipulated or nothing. That's a good play. If you want to have some diamond hands on that bitch, you can get a bag though.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Look,
Yeah,
I ain't gonna even. I'm not even gonna sit there and say that. Oh, buy wrong. This ain't going to no $100. Okay, I'm not even
yeah,
gonna
that
sit there
bitch
and say
going.
that shit. Okay, I can't even sit there and say that he wrong on that for saying that this thing gonna go to $100. Okay, that stock is more promising than AMC. AMC has no promise. Okay, they backwards. They hustling backwards like a motherfucker. We talking about BBIG. We talking about MMAT. We talking about them all. But I ain't no way I'm diamond handing no motherfucking AMC. I'd rather diamond hand a stock that's going somewhere than diamond hand AMC. Cut it out.
He said I was way. Which one are we talking about? Might be a good play. We talking about.
Sundial, but it's heavy manipulated and managed shorted.
Hold on, we talking about this one right here, bro.
Could be at 500 or $3. Who knows? They do deal with every aspect of these doing deals. So
They got their hands in a lot of different shit. If you read up in the chat, Bot was breaking it down. This got the potential to be a rocket. This bitch can go. Marco and Bot differ on the price that you think you can get in, but either way, you good money with this motherfucker though. In our opinion.
picked up 2 shares. I'll get more. I'll feel you. Yeah. So I'm looking at it like, hey, these are decent stocks. I can fuck with that. I'm actually gonna put them bitches on my watch list. Put my
SNDL, which one
eye.
is that? That's
That's
Sundial, ain't it?
Sundial. Yeah. Yeah, we already signed off on that motherfucker. Sundial, I actually like Sundial. If I'm looking at it as a weed play, if they federally make weed a law federally, Sundial
Oh,
gonna
it's gonna
run.
go. It's gonna
Sundial
go.
running. I see Sundial being about $5-6 at that point. That's my projection. It ain't no stock that I would hold for like 5 years, but if you see something like $5, shit, I'll sell that motherfucker.
Hell yeah, you get
Five,
in
ten
heavy,
dollars.
you
I'm
load
out.
up on that bitch while it's down there. Hell yeah,
Straight the fuck
ride that
up.
bitch with the $5 and dip.
I'm out.
Shit for sure.
Straight the fuck up. I'm not staying. I'm not staying in there no 5 years. Okay. I'll buy that motherfucker and sell that bitch at $4-5. I'm
He
out.
said hell in 5 years it could be at 500 or $3. Who knows? They do a deal with every aspect of this. Eventually, that shit gonna catch on, bro. Cause you already see
Yeah.
where that green shit. So off top, it's gonna go. It's gonna go.
Yeah.
Now, whether it be $500, I don't know. I would never stick around that long to find out
Nope.
myself. So,
I ain't either.
but it's gonna be a good bag to get there. You know what I'm saying? For any investor who trying to get him a little bag somewhere,
Yeah. There's some good money
you
in
should
that.
at least be able to get $10 a share off that motherfucker.
That's what I said. That's what I said. I probably
You know what I'm
sell that
saying?
bitch like 12,
If you just trying to
$13.
scalp some shit and get in and out and be cool and you know it's reasonable where you can get you a nice little amount of shares. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Yeah, you can at least this bitch at least going to 13, 14, 15 motherfucking dollars.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
So you can at least get that up out this motherfucker if nothing else.
Yeah, I say like $12, $13 for me. I
Yeah.
think.
Who got some more
Right.
plays to put on the board? Or you want to go to some of this shit right here, or you want to wait to see if somebody got some plays?
I don't know. I don't give a damn. Don't make no difference to me.
What you want to go
All
to
right.
first?
Let's see. Which ones did we have? We had CCIV. We had what? We already showed them that. You know what I'm saying? For all the motherfuckers that think all we do is OTC.
We'll
You know what I'm
put
saying?
we'll put this up here.
We'll put CCIV over
This
right now.
the this gonna be they got better cars than Tesla when they drop them hoes.
Yep.
This gonna be a leaper. This bitch gonna
Yep.
go.
Yeah, I love that. I like that stock. I can see that stock being $50, $60. Easy. Easy money.
Yeah.
And this is a long term hold for me. I'll hold this for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. I don't care. I think is this bitch offer a dividend? Nope, it don't offer no dividend.
No.
Imagine this bitch
No.
offer a dividend. What the fuck you think this stock gonna be if it offers a dividend one day? That stock gonna be out of control.
You already know.
The stock gonna be all the way out of control and start offering a dividend. I'm taking that all day long.
Yeah, they got some bomb ass electric vehicles, man. You look at the videos and shit they got going on. This bitch definitely gonna go. You wanna hold this bitch with diamond hands, this bitch could be a band for real. You know what I'm saying? But realistically, you can at least get $100, $200 up off this motherfucker for sure. You hold this bitch for a year or two, couple years. This bitch gonna go. This thing once some cars hit the streets.
All right, G. Holla at you.
For sure. Good luck,
So,
G.
so yeah, I want CCIV on the list. I want you guys to pick that motherfucker up. That's a good stock. What's
And
another
this
one
right
we
here.
got? Oh, this stock right here. It's crazy. Okay, this stock right here had 10 billion in volume today, which is crazy. Okay, this stock right here is gonna go. My personal opinion, I think it's gonna go to a penny, penny and a half. That's just my personal opinion with this stock. This stock has been trending for quite some time, but it's been taking a shit just like all the other OTC stocks. All right, bye. Holla at you, boy. Um, hcmc is gonna go to at least a penny and a half. Okay, at least.
Yeah, that bitch gonna go. And it's real reasonable.
Okay, this is basically an e-liquid company. You know, dealing with vaping.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, dealing with vaping. And I think it's somewhere. I think when this bitch when they federally uh legalize marijuana, this motherfucking stock gonna run.
Yo, Mike fucked up, bro.
Yeah,
He said
yeah,
that
this
chart
stock.
look crazy. Yo, you don't like that chart, Doc?
I got a few shares of hcmc. Yeah, I like that stock. I think this stock gonna run. I think this motherfucker gonna run any day now.
Yeah,
Personally.
I'm gonna end up getting in town. I'm about to give me
Okay,
some of
I
that.
got a few shares of my damn stuff. I just bought 400,000 shares today. You know what I'm saying? Yeah,
Yo,
today.
Mike out.
So can you hear me now? Yeah, I bought 400,000 today. Just a little taste to see what it could do. You know what I'm saying? Shit is barcoding like a bitch. Yeah, I know. That motherfucking chart crazy. Had 10 billion in share. Had 10 billion in volume today. Motherfucker was jumping today. Seriously, that shit was serious business, man. Okay, that motherfucker about to run. I think it's about to run any day now. My personal opinion. I think it's gonna run a penny, penny and a half. If I bet you run a penny, penny and a half, 400,000, that's a quick 6 bands. Shit, I'll take that all motherfucking day.
Hell yeah.
I'll
Oh,
take
for
that shit
real.
all day, and sell that motherfucker. Yeah, I think that bitch about to run, y'all. Y'all better get y'all a little taste while you can. You gotta check my account. Yeah, this motherfucker go. Yeah, this bitch gonna run one day. I'm damn about ready to take it to 2 million. Honestly, I might buy 2 million shares for real.
Yeah,
On this
I might
motherfucker.
give me like 3 million.
Yeah, I might get like 2-3 billion on this motherfucker. I bought 400,000 a day. At the end of the day, but I might. Hopefully that motherfucker don't run in the next couple of days. I'm gonna buy like 2-3
You
million.
said you gonna put another 500. Hell yeah, Doc.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come in at least give
Yep.
me 2-3 million when I jump off in this bitch.
Yep.
I'm like, cause I have been hearing about that bitch. Matter of fact, they have been talking about this bitch. Like I
Yep.
said, the OTC been getting so manipulated. Everything about to start going in a minute.
Yep. Yeah, I'm about to buy like 2 million. Fuck it. And say fuck it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. That bitch right there gonna run a penny and a half, maybe even 3 pennies for real. But I don't know if I'm gonna hold it that long. I might, if I buy like 3 million, I'll probably sell it at a penny and a half. That's what,
45,000.
it's 45,000. Oh yeah, I'm out.
Yeah.
Out.
Yeah.
I'm taking that money and go, nigga. Fuck that. Yeah, I'm taking that. It's 45 racks, penny and a half.
Mhm.
Yeah, for all you niggas out there to think the OTC ain't no money and that you out your motherfucking mind, nigga.
And you ain't got to put shit up to get that shit
Yeah.
like that.
You out your motherfucking mind if you think you
Well,
can't get
3
no money
million,
out the OTC.
2100 to turn that into 40 bands. I
Shit.
like those. I like that type of return.
Shit,
And
that's a
that
hell
ain't
of a return.
that ain't unrealistic either.
And yeah, that ain't no motherfucking pipe dream. That can happen. Straight the fuck up.
And you ain't heavily exposed.
Nope. Take that 2 grand and turn that bitch into 45,000. Shit, you balling. You hustling. Those
Or
kind
if,
of
you go
trades
to
I
a,
like
or
to
if
do.
you go or if you go to a penny, that's 30 bands off 2 grand. With
You crazy.
28,000 profit.
You crazy.
I like those odds.
You crazy. I'd rather do that than fuck with AMC, nigga. Fuck that. I'd rather take my chances with that, with this stock than to be sitting there with AMC. Okay.
Yeah.
Fuck that. Okay, y'all can go. Y'all missed me with that bullshit stock. And AMC and hcmc might fucking run before might squeeze before AMC do. Imagine that. Imagine if you put 2 grand, 3 or 5 grand if you wanted to go balls deep in that motherfucker
5 grand.
and put 5
gets
grand.
you-
Like damn near
5
what?
grand gets you
Like damn near 7 million.
Yeah.
They get you 7
So
million shares.
at 1 penny, that's 70 bands.
That's 70,000 motherfucking dollars, nigga. You crazy? You out your motherfucking mind? If you think that you can't make no money doing that, making that kind of play, that's a play. If you sat there and said to me, "Hey, I'm holding that bitch," and I'm not holding until I see a penny and a half, I'll be like, "Shit, I'm about to get in my damn self."
That's nasty as fuck, Doc.
Hell yeah. I'm about to get in that bitch my damn self, nigga. Fuck that. I'm about to get in with you.
And imagine this. This is what we're gonna end off with. This motherfucker right here. We ain't get in on this one. This bitch right here. This motherfucker went to 40 cents. It was at damn near that same price that you saw that at 0007. Imagine riding that motherfucker up to 40 cents. Imagine the bag on that, Doc.
Show them the 6-month chart on that on Opti, man. Show them the 6-month chart, just so we ain't full of shit. Look where that motherfucker was at, man. Look at its highest point. Its highest point was at 40 fucking cents.
Oh, right here. Oh, we go right back here.
No, go back to the before the jump and show them exactly where this motherfucker was at.
This chart ain't look. This ain't right.
I don't think that's the right one.
This ain't even showing it in the trips.
This bitch was in the trips.
Yeah.
For all you people out there, that chart ain't right. But this bitch was in the trips. Okay? It was 000001 is what it was.
2020. Looking 2020. That's only 002. I don't know what the fuck on with this chart.
That shit ain't right. The ticker on that is opti. OPTI.
Yeah, you put it in your shit. You'll see for sure.
This bitch was trip 01. Okay? Trip 01 is what it was. And that bitch ran all the way to 40 fucking cents. And that's no fucking lie. I saw that personally. Okay? I was involved in Opti a few different times. Okay? And I can tell you personally that this motherfucker went from trip 01 to fucking 40 cents. Personally, I saw that.
This bitch said the 52-week high is 19 cents. So what, a year ago that motherfucker was 19 cents?
That couldn't have been. That bitch was damn near 40 cents, man. Damn near.
No, it got to 40 shit at one point.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Okay.
You can't show me.
I don't know why it ain't doing that. That chart ain't right.
Nope.
That chart is nowhere near right. That chart right there, it was 0001. That's what that was. And if you think that hcmc can't get to that level on a good day, on a parabolic day, parabolic weeks, you know, because OTCs can run for weeks. Imagine you in the stock at its lowest point and that bitch ran for weeks. Nigga, how much money you think you got? Fuck out of here. Y'all can miss me with that AMC bullshit. I'm cool. I don't want to have no diamond hands on AMC. Y'all can have them. Y'all can have them diamond hands on AMC. I don't want it. What's the next stock you got? Make this the last one.
I think that's it. Oh, the Express.
Oh, Express. Yeah, that motherfucker doing all right. I mean, if it's a meme stock. I mean, it's a meme stock. But I could respect you more if you said you going with that. I don't bet you this motherfucker ain't as heavily manipulated as AMC. Okay, if you was to run a beam stock, I would try and run this motherfucker. We've been calling this bitch for when it was $4.20. Okay, it ran up to $8, damn near $8 on us, and it pulled back. Okay, so bottom line, you still at profit if you at our price that we call. Loss like you are with trades and Matt Horus, who's gonna fucking squeeze that AFC was gonna squeeze from $60 on up. Dumb.
It said May 2020. I'm looking at my phone. It say this motherfucker was 000. May 2020. See, that's the problem. That ain't taking us back there for some reason. That's why we.
That ain't right. Yeah, that chart ain't right.
It ain't. Yeah, it's different on the phone.
That chart ain't right.
Like, I'm looking on my app on the phone.
Yes, the app is different, right?
Yep, it's saying 0008 May 20th. May 2020. So yeah, something up with that shit.
Yeah.
What's the ticker on that? You can't see on my phone. Which one? Opti. OPTI.
TI. Yeah.
OPTI.
Alright, told him.
Oh, okay, bet.
Yeah.
All right, man. We about to be out, y'all.
Yeah. We out this bitch.
We at y'all tomorrow for sure.
Yeah, y'all motherfuckers get hcmc, man. I'm personally signing off on that motherfucking stock. Okay, y'all go ahead and get y'all that. And we gonna be giving y'all other plays. That's not just OTC. We gonna be giving y'all plays. You know, that's all across the board because we all around players like that. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna be hitting y'all with that good shit. Okay, and where all y'all motherfuckers can get paid. We gonna be giving y'all none of that bullshit. AMC stocks and gamma squeezes and dark pools and bullshit like that these motherfuckers got y'all in. You know, that's what we gonna be giving y'all solid plays, solid picks all the time. And if y'all motherfuckers wanna know what y'all think, what we think about whatever ticker that y'all interested in, just put that bitch in the comment section and we'll thoroughly
pull it
go
up
through
like we've been doing, like we did today. So
yep.
bring the plays and we can share knowledge and talk about the plays that we know about. Hell, we can all make some money, man, and learn from each other. Shit, that's what this shit about.
That's what it's all about, baby. So we signing out this motherfucker, man. We'll see y'all motherfuckers tomorrow. My projection on AMC tomorrow is that it probably might have a decent day, but like again, I ain't expecting nothing big out this motherfucker.
Either way, no matter what it do tomorrow, it ain't gonna do no fucking squeeze. They looking for this bitch going down. So
Down. Way down. But we out this bitch.
yeah.
We out.